Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Now I'm going to tell you how to find a largest number in an array. So first in the input they are giving the size of the array and then they are giving the elements of the array, and then we need to find out the largest number in the array. So first I'm going to explain you. Here they are giving the size of the array and the elements of the array. I already make a video that how to get an array from the user, so if you want to know then you can check it out. First we need to take the first element of the array, and then we need to compare this with each other element. So I'm gonna compare it 8 and 12. Here 12 is the greater, so we need to keep it 12, and then we need to compare 12 with 4. Here if we compare 12 with 4 then 12 is the largest number, so we won't swap it out, we will keep that 12 as it is. And then we need to compare 12 with 40. If we compare then 40 is the largest number, so I'm gonna swap it the value as 40. And then we need to check 40 and 2. Here 40 is the largest number, so we need to keep 40 as it is. So here this is the largest number in an array. So now I'm going to write this as a code. So here I already include the header and int main. So now we need to get the size of an array from the user. So I'm going to declare n, and using scanf I'm going to get the size from the user, and then we need to use for loop to get the array. Before that I'm going to declare the array. This is how we need to declare array, and then I'm going to write the condition inside the for loop. Int I is equal to 0 and then I less than n and I plus plus, and then we need to get the values of an array using scanf. That's all. This is how we need to get the array from the user, and then we need to iterate through the array and find out just the largest number. Before that I'm gonna declare another variable which is large. I'm gonna initialize with the first element, and then we're gonna iterate from the first index and then less than n j plus plus. So here why I'm gonna put 1 is that array index starts from 0. I think you already know that. Here I already take the first element of an array, so it's enough to check from the array index 1. So that's why I'm gonna put j is equal to 1. So now we need to compare the values. If large is less than the array of the element, then we need to swap the large equal to array of the current element. That's all. Now I'm gonna print the large element. So largest number, and then this is large. That's all. Now I'm gonna save it and run this file. First I'm gonna give size of the array, and then I'm gonna give the elements of the array. Here you're able to get the largest number in an array. This is how we need to find the largest number in an array. So I think this video is useful for you. Then please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.